Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to delete YouTube channel permanently. First of all, open up the YouTube app. After opening the YouTube, click on your account icon from the top right corner. Then click on Manage your Google account. From Google account, go into Data and Privacy. Scroll down in Data and Privacy and click to delete a Google service. Enter your Google account password and click on Next. Then tap to delete your YouTube from Google service. Choose the option that says I want to permanently delete my content. Click to delete my content. After that, enter your email and tap to delete your content. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.